Hi everyone, and welcome to troubleshoot number 1. This is how to initialize your camera before you start filming. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so step number 1 of initializing your camera. Again, this is the first thing that you should do when picking up the camera for the first time. You don't want anybody else's stuff on there. It's just going to get too confusing. So you have to go into function, which then turns into menu. And then in menu, you'll see a spanner on the very end. That's the setup menu. So we want to scroll all the way down once we've clicked on that until you eventually come to see something called Initialize, which is the one which is currently highlighted. You then click on the right hand side where the box is, and then we see built-in memory. So what we do, we click on that. It will tell us how much space is being used and how much space is free. So all you need to do is press Initialize, and it will ask you, do you want to erase everything in the built-in memory? Yes, yes you do. So you click yes. It will then load whilst it does its initialization process, and then there's the painstaking thing of waiting, which I'll speed up for you now. Okay, that's just finished, so that's pretty much 100% done. So if you click on OK, and then you want to click on your playback button, which is on the side of the camera next to display, you will see that it now displays no scenes whatsoever. That is the perfect thing. That's what you want to see before you start shooting. If you start shooting on top of everyone else's stuff that used the camera before you did, it's going to be a nightmare when it comes to editing. So I hope that's cleared everything up. On to the next lesson.